Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I have a Look Fantastic and Stylist beauty box unboxing. So this is a limited edition beauty box which I'm very excited about because the value of the box is £195 but it is selling on Look Fantastic right now for £65. I'll tell you more of the details in a minute after I've shown you the box. So this is the box right here. Really fun packaging on it here. So it says Look Fantastic X Stylist, and there's 7 products inside. 4 are full size, 2 are travel, and 1 is a little kind of sample. So like I said, it is worth over £195. It is on sale right now for £65 on Look Fantastic, and you can also get £10 off if you are a current beauty box subscriber. I will leave the details of that down below, and of course if you want to sign up for the monthly Look Fantastic box you will also get £10 off this. And also with this limited edition you get a 3 months stylist subscription. So I will leave all the details of that down below in the description box for you, as well as a link if you're interested in the box. So yeah, before I get started with the unboxing, if you are brand new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button down below, click the bell next to that so that you get notified every time I upload a new video, and of course if you like and enjoy this unboxing then give it the big thumbs up. Now let's go ahead and we'll get started with the unboxing. So along with the box we get this leaflet inside which tells us all about the products inside, and I've written the prices on them here so that I can tell you how much each of the products is worth. Okay, so the first thing we get is this here from 111 Skin, and this is their Cryo ATP Sports Booster. So this sounds really interesting. That's what it looks like right there. So this is a highly concentrated kind of serum, I believe, and it says a few drops of this will help to smooth, tighten, energize and improve the texture of your complexion. The booster mimics the effect of extreme cold on the skin, encouraging toning and refining by encouraging an increased oxygen flow. So yeah, this sounds really interesting. I'm excited to use this. Ooh, smells nice. Smells quite minty, but there's also another nice, really nice scent in that. I'm excited about this. So this is a 20ml, which is a full size product and it's worth £85. Okay, so the next thing we get inside, I'm very excited to have a full size of this product because I really like this product and also the brand. It's the Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. So inside here we get a little cleansing cloth, and this is the balm right here. Let me just open this up and show you. So that's what it looks like inside. It's a nice yellowy balm, which suits it because it's a very kind of like lemony, citrusy scented cleanser. So this is really good for taking off makeup. It's great for obviously removing dirt and impurities on the skin. And let me just read what else it says here. It has a blend of starflower, elderberry, rose and optimega oils that work together to leave you with a glowing complexion. So it's kind of rosy and citrusy. Like, I smell citrus like from it, and I also smell the rose from it, but there is a rose balm from Elemis as well, which is lovely. This one has other kind of scents in it that is very uplifting, which I really like, and it is 100ml, which again is a full size and it is worth £44. Okay doc, so the next thing we get inside is the Nars Velvet Lip Pencil. So I love Nars and it's in the shade Dragon Girl. So this is a bit of a red, a red lip, as you can see. It says that this is a cult favourite. It has an impactful matte finish and it also has a creamy texture which is long lasting and hydrating on the lips. So yeah, that's the shade right there. A lot of you guys will love this red shade. So it's called Dragon Girl. This is a little mini and this is worth £16.50. Okay, so the next thing we get inside is this from Chapman. This is her Platinum Stem Cell Eye Mask. So I'm excited to try this because this is a little bit different from other eye masks that I've used before. So it kind of goes like all over or all around your eyes sort of thing, instead of like the little ones that goes underneath, I believe. Apply it above the eyebrow, over the eyelids and also under the lash line. Like, I'll show you a little diagram there. Like, that's what it shows you do with it right there, if you can see that. So let's see what this actually does for the eyes. So it says revitalise your delicate eye area with this luxurious eye mask from skin expert Sarah Chapman. This tri-ocular treatment combines Effie pulp, hyaluronic acid, isolyryl, oh my god, I cannot pronounce half of these, terapeptide, and a collagen boosting platinum matrix to depuff, lift, tighten and hydrate. The results will be a reduced appearance of dark circles and a more refreshed, youthful complexion. So yeah, this sounds really interesting. I just love like the look of how to do this mask, and obviously of course I like that it says it's going to give you a more youthful and refreshed looking eyes. So this is £25. Okay, so the next thing we get inside is a little sample, and it is from Laura Mercier. This is her Pure Canvas Primer, and this is a hydrating primer. So I seen these launched, I think it was near the end of last year, I think, like I seen these. So the hydrating primer is a wake up call for the complexion. Olive extract visibly smooths and locks in hydration, while marine hydra botanical replenish skin and promote long-term moisture recovery. That is a little sample we get in here. It is a 10ml and it does say that it's worth £6.40. And then we also get the Philip Kingsley Elasticizer, and this is a deep conditioning treatment, and it says it will improve the look and feel of your hair in just one use. The ingredients such as castor oil, olive oil, elastin and glycerine blend together to create a formula that will change the healthiness of your hair. It says there's one bottle sold every 2 minutes of this, and it's a cult beauty product, and it's loved by celebrities such as Kate Winslet and Kate Blanchett, and that is a 75ml, which is worth £19. So there's actually only 6 products in the box. I think I said there was 7 earlier on. I don't know where I got that from, but well, technically there is 7 products because you also get a 3 months free subscription of Stylist, so I guess you could call that another product. Yeah, so that is everything inside this limited edition with Look Fantastic and Stylist. I would love to know what you think about the products inside. There's a couple of really good products in there for me, which I'm excited about. So the first one is the 111 Skin Booster. This sounds really lovely and I like the smell of it actually as well, so I'm excited to use this. Also the Elemis cleansing balm, like I love that I have a fuller size of that now, and the eye mask from Sarah Chapman sounds amazing as well. Like I just cannot wait to use this. I think I'll use it this weekend. Yeah, so I'm excited about these products the most. But I would love to know what you think about the products inside the box, and of course if you are interested in this limited edition, I will leave a link to it down below in the description box along with all the details about it for you. So that's it for this unboxing. I really hope you liked and enjoyed this video. If you did, please get a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below if you haven't already, and I'll speak to you very soon in my next video. Bye.